Okay, so it's time to make characters. You have several options. You can go to your Pixton account, so like we used yesterday and the day before, your Pixton character. Now, you can't make multiple Pixton characters, so what you have to do is just edit yours and download it several times. So that's why mine doesn't look like me right now. I used um, a different character. So what you can do is click on your character. You can go back through the options, right? So you can give her a different eyes, you can give her different hair, right? And then you can go to the end pose, and then you can download her. And then you can go back and make another character and download that one so that you have several characters for your story. You can do that. You can look for characters just online. So, like little boy, like let's say I want a tennis player. Now you want to be careful because you might not want the racket in his hand. You might have to say clip art and go to clip art. And then you might have to use that remove background website, right? And you might not want them to have it. You might want to add the racket to their hand so that you can move it. So that's up to you. But make sure your characters are consistent through the whole story. So don't have them, be a boy this moment and then in the next scene he turns into an adult. Okay, so keep the same character. But you might want to use that Pixton. You can also Google, I think there's avatar or character maker sites. So you might be able to use some of these other ones too, depending on what you're looking for. But usually Pixton or just going on the internet is probably your best bet. Okay. And then once you have a character, so once I've downloaded her, remember the steps: full body. Okay. Remember the steps we use to upload her to Scratch. So we come into our Scratch account. Okay. And we add character, Pixton. And there she is. Remember, I can change her size so she fits. Okay. Doesn't look like an ice skater there, but she's going to be there. Remember, I'm going to name her. You can name her something like Skater 1. If you're playing basketball, B-ball player 1. Okay. Because you'll have multiple characters. You should have at least 2 characters playing your sport. Okay. In your story. So you'll have to add a second sprite. Remember, on the events, you're going to start with where you want her. So you're going to drag out when clicked and go to motions. And you should use the go to XY because that's where I want her to start, where she's standing. And that will be how she starts. Okay. Um, and that is how we add characters. If I want to add another one, I go get my second character and I do the same type of thing. So let me change her real quick, give her a different outfit. Where's my outfit so that we can tell they're different. And let me give her a different hairstyle. Okay. And so let's go to head cover. Okay. Next, let's give her pose. Okay. So this is my other skater. I'm going to download her. Okay. Now I'm going to come into my code. I'm going to go to sprites again and upload. This time my second player. Okay. Notice the code disappears because I'm on a different coding screen. So skater 2. This is code for skater 2. I'm going to make her 70 as well to make her the same size as my other person. Okay. I'm going to put her where I want her. And I'm also going to use the same event when clicked. I'm going to put her at the XY. There you go. And so now when I click start, that's where the scene starts. Okay, so that is how you add characters. If I want to get back to my code for Skater 1, I click on Skater 1 down here, Skater 2 code, clicking on Skater 2. Okay, so you click on the character that you want to code for. Okay, and remember, let's name our project. Your first name, last name, sports, if you haven't named it already. And then also remember to share it add it to the studio, and you'll see sports period 1 and sports period 2. Click on the one that goes with what you're adding yours to, and then click OK and back inside to get inside. And I'll see you in the next video.